Well, hello everybody. This is your stay-at-home grandmom, and I am bringing you the bio yogurt starter culture, and I am going to make some yogurt. Very simple. You can make it like all kinds of ways. You can make it in your crock pot. I've never done it in my crock pot, but this is what they sent me, and so I'm going to use it. And I've used other yogurts, so it's fine to say that I pretty much know what I'm doing. This is the yogurt starter, and it's freeze-dried. And it makes about a gallon with this. It makes one sachet, 1 quart of yogurt, up to 2 gallons of yogurt. So that's pretty good. So I'm going to mix this in. How's everybody doing this evening? I'm doing fine. Got my milk. I had to let my milk get cold. I mean, cool. I had to warm it up. I'm going to pour this in the trash. Then I'm going to add some sugar, some milk to it because I put the sugar in. Add some sugar to it. Now you can add things like honey, sorghum, whatever. I add a little bit of vanilla because I want some vanilla yogurt. A little bit of that to it. Smells good. I'm going to stir all this up. Let me just get the rest of the sugar out. I should have brought a spoon with me, but I didn't. Okay, now these are the glass jars that come with the yogurt maker, and I'll introduce the yogurt maker in a minute, but that's not the star of the show. The cultures are the star of the show. Before you put this in, when you buy this or you purchase this, or if you already have one and you've never used it or whatever, make sure that you clean the glasses out thoroughly, okay, with hot water. I actually don't boil mine like I do everything else for canning, but we'll do that. That's another lesson. But and then wash the tops out. Okay, so now this is the yogurt maker. And this is the cuisine. Okay, and it is been my friend for a while. So I'm going to put these yogurts in without the tops. I might not fill them all because it's only he and I, so. So we got 3 out of this. It's he and I, so nothing to worry about. And that's how you make yogurt. So again, this is the bio yogurt starter culture. Okay, I'm going to put everything. If you like this, like, share, and subscribe, and leave a comment in the comment section. I'm going to put everything about this in the comment section. This is freeze dried, so it's much easier to do this for me, okay, than it is to have yogurt culture because I don't always have it. Anyway, again, the bio starter yoga kit. And let me see. Yeah, I'll put everything in the comment section. But I'm going to try this. This is really good. I'm suspecting. Okay, and I like yogurt, so we good. All right, so be good. I love you. Take care. God bless. Bye bye.